What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Welcome back to another great episode. Now, as you can see from the title, this is another Travis video. Anything can happen at the night show with LaFlame. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date. Now, the reason I'm making this video, as you guys can see, is it's going to be about these new Travis Scott Air Force Ones. As recently as August, as you guys can see in this Instagram post of his, Travis posted these brand new on-feet photos of the actual, Air Force Ones. Now, the reason why I got excited about this is because Offset of the Migos, shout out Migos, as recently as 12 hours ago posted this video I'm going to talk about in a little bit about his personal pair that was gifted to him from Travis. Now, the reason why I wanted to make a whole video about it is because this is the first time I think we've actually seen a box. There are a ton of fake pairs, a ton of fake images going around on social media, on Instagram, of course with no box, and that's how you pretty much know it's like from a factory or a rep pair or whatever you want to call it. So I think the video is dope because you get to see Offset's genuine reaction. I think the box itself is really cool, the branding's really neat. There's like a little death metal, black metal influence with one of the branding on the side that you'll see. And you guys definitely need to listen to Offset's reaction towards the end of the video. He sounds kind of excited. So I'm going to go ahead and play that video back right now. And let's go ahead and talk about it after. Let me know what you guys think.
Yes, sir. Oh, man. What we got in this mug? Oh, what, Trav, my brother. Let's open this thing up. You feel me? Oh yeah, US #1. Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, welcome back. So as you can see, or I hope you guys can agree with me, I think the box itself and the branding on these is A1 again. I love the yellow tones on it. I think that the Cactus Jack branding is so cool. I love that he's been able to turn himself into his own brand, and it's definitely inspired me with a lot of the kitchen stuff that I do. Just meshing like that rock star, punk rock, like alternative lifestyle with all the hypebeast things that we do. Now, as recently, I think as like a month ago or so, Travis was headlining a performance at Made in America in Philadelphia, and for one lucky fan, it seems like there's always something that goes down, whether it's Travis bringing them on stage or letting them sing lyrics with him, but he ended up throwing the actual sneakers he wore off the stage to a fan, straight to the feet. Now, these are the photos of that the kid actually posted on his Instagram. I think his name was Lewis. I apologize if I got that wrong. But if you see this, Lewis, congratulations. I think they're sick. But anyway, as you guys can see from the actual photos, I'm pretty sure LaFlame signed them, and he ended up commenting on the actual Instagram post something to the effect of like, he said something like, hold on to these, don't sell. And so I just think that's so cool that he acknowledged it. And I don't know, what would you guys do? I mean, the kid was offered like up to $200,000, I think. I think that that's a lot of money, but that's also a big test of loyalty because you never know if you're ever going to hear from Travis again. So ultimately, I think that these are going to be really dope. I'm pretty sure they release on November 2nd. And either way, we're definitely going to try our hardest to cook these. I'm super happy that we were able to hit on the Travis Scott lows for retail, as you guys can see from the photo, as well as the Travis Scott 6s. It's totally Jack Boys in this kitchen. We're big supporters. We see him every time he's in town. Maybe that has something to do with it. But yeah, guys, let us know what you think ultimately of these sneakers. I definitely want to cop. It's so hard with the sneaker game, I think, now, with how even as a fan of the culture and as a fan of sneakers, it's so hard to sometimes justify wearing them when you know you can get so much and you know how things are in real life and stuff. But I think any fan of these will really appreciate them. I think it's super smart how they always give their pairs to friends and family, like the Migos and people like that, because it's definitely going to turn heads and people are going to talk about it the same way I am. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you guys for cooking with us. My birthday's coming up this Saturday. Might have a video for that. But thank you guys. Stay safe and peace.